Your fashion company is really special. At the same time, it has a lot in common with other companies in the industry. IT challenges, for instance. An example. Let's say your new collection is spot on. Pre-book orders are streaming in, and your output increases dramatically. But how are you going to manage it all? You've clearly outgrown management by spreadsheets, and your existing IT systems can barely keep up with current volumes, or even manage all the styles in different colors and sizes. And what about getting ready for your next successful collection? How to efficiently process all the new orders? So what you need is a good IT solution. Moreover, you need it quickly. But what if all your money is tied up in expanding your business? No worries there. Our cloud-based Pebblestone Fashion 365 solution is the obvious and right choice specifically developed for the fashion industry. Easily implemented in days. No upfront investments. Highly scalable and accessible from anywhere. Pebblestone Fashion 365. The right solution for your fashion company.